Hey guys, welcome back to my another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to green screen yourself from any photo or videos from your camera. Yes, you heard it right. And we will use it in our short video here in YouTube by using our mobile phone only. Yes, and if you don't know how, make it sure to watch this video till the end. Hey guys, I'm Christy Angler and welcome to my channel, Freelancing Tips for Beginners. If you are looking for some good vibes, tutorials, and tips, come and visit my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you how to green screen. Yes, you heard it right. How to green screen yourself from any photo or video from your camera. Yes, and we will use only our mobile phone. Yes, and we will make an example here in YouTube's short. Yes, no? Yeah, same like this, what I did. And like this, and like this. Yes, it's very easy guys. No, it's very easy steps. So I hope that you will follow my steps. So without further ado, let's get started. Hello guys, I'm here now in my YouTube homepage of my mobile phone. So now let's start, or I will walk you through how to use this kind of feature here in YouTube Short, the green screen. So let's go now. First step is click the plus sign. Yes, click the plus sign. And next step is to click the create short. Okay guys, I'm here now in the screen. Yes, I'm here now in the screen guys. So let's start recording. So as you can see guys, you see the human sign there. Yeah, that is the green screen. Yeah, click that one and here we go. That's me now in green screen, and you choose any video that you have guys. Okay, you choose any video that you have. Okay, for example, I will choose this one. Okay, I choose. Yeah, and then it's up to you how long the video. You can adjust that one, you can trim that. Okay, here, yeah, I will adjust for about 7 seconds only for just an example in this tutorial guys. Okay, it's processing now. Yeah, we will wait for a while. Okay, here we go now. Okay, just click yan, done. Okay, just click done, and then here we go. Look at me now, I'm here in the screen together with the video. Okay, yes, okay, by the power of the green screen. So because I'm so big, we need to adjust ourselves. Okay, just just drag it. Okay, or pinch. Yes, because I'm so big guys. Yeah, okay, just adjust. Okay, just adjust yourself there. Okay, maybe that's enough size of myself. So here we go now. Yeah, just make a reaction video or whatsoever. You can talk here. Okay, yeah, just make something reaction. Okay, just for an example. Okay, this video. Okay, yeah. Okay, here we go now. Just click the red button so that you will start. Okay, yeah, and I'm here now. I'm doing some loco action here. Okay, for this just an example only guys. Okay, here we go now. Okay, it's done already. Yeah, I guess it's done already. So next step is we need to click the check sign there. Yeah, click the check sign. Okay, here we go now. So this is the outcome. Yeah, this is the outcome of our video guys. Now look, see that one? Yes, okay. You can also add sounds guys if you want to add sounds, and also you can add also a text. No, you can add text on this video, and also there is a timeline Yeah, there is a timeline, guys, and also there is a filter. Yeah, you can choose what filter that you want also to make your video enhance, so or to make your video enhance. So use the filters here, guys. Okay, so I'm showing you this one, guys, not only the green screen, but also the feature here in YouTube short that you can also add on your short video, guys. After this, guys, just click the next. After clicking the next, here we go now. So your video is ready to upload on your YouTube channel. So it's very easy, guys, now to create a short video with green screen. So I hope and I'm looking forward for you guys that you can use that one on your short video. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you follow the steps. The very easy, and I hope I'm looking forward to see you to use this kind of feature here in YouTube Short. Yeah. And if you found this video very helpful and very useful to you, don't forget to like, share, and if you are new here on my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that every time I release a new video, you will be updated. So thank you so much for watching once again, and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!